it's important to be able to read English and the sounds that the letter combinations make. In this particular case, it's the sounds of I. In other words, these spellings, like I, is like the word here is dine, so that I-N-E spelling is going to be pronounced as I in many words. But learn that spelling so that whenever you encounter this type of word, it's spelt in this way, that you would know how to pronounce it. Now, the I-N-E is going to be I in all cases here. The consonant change, and the consonant makes different words that you will find in English vocabulary. Now, the first one is dine. You have that D sound, dine. And after it, you have the Spanish equivalent. Now, the nice thing about this, you can increase your vocabulary by going through this list. Now, over here, there is a little triangle, and if you click that triangle, it will pronounce a group of these words. So I'll click it now.
Dine, fine, line, mine, nine, pine, wine, brine, shine, hide, ride, side, tide, wide, bride, guide.
Now, you didn't see all of those because the way I have the thing right now. So learn this. There's a whole group of these spelling of words, and let's give it a recording this, and let's do this and help you to speak better English and to be able to read better. Okay? Actually, there's a rule that the E at the end of a word makes the vowel in that word long, meaning the name of the letter in the alphabet. So now we go to a word like shine, and as you see, it's now an N. It's S-H-I-N-E, and then we go down to hide, rise, side, tide, and those are more of the words that we have. And so it's the I in the word that is made long, that is I, and it's the E that does that. So we go down through all these words. We have the vowels changing or constant changing at the beginning to the end, and that makes the word with the I sound. It's really the I in the word itself. So when we go down further, we have pipe and ripe, So when we go down further, we will find another spelling of I. In this case, it's I-G-H. I-G-H is a phonogram, and it's three letters that makes one sound, which is I. And you see that in many words like fight, light, might, right. Okay, so it has an I sound. So it's a phonogram sound. If you go down further, you will find another I sound. In this case, it's the Y, and it will always be at the end of the word that this word is cry. So you have cry, fly, fry, spry, and so forth. So look for those spellings, and they appear in many words you can see right here. And then you have also you have I in bind, line, grind, and so forth. Okay, so that might help you. I think it will help you to better understand how to pronounce words when you come again across them. Okay, very good.